Goodbye to financial struggles, and welcome to a life of wealth and abundance. Imagine this. By July, you'll have financial stability, and for the remainder of the year, money will flow into your life effortlessly. If you're looking to transform your financial situation and welcome an unexpected surge of wealth, I have some timeless wisdom to share. Secrets that are simple, yet extraordinarily effective. Before we dive in, let me emphasize something crucial. Your bed is not just a place to sleep. It's a powerful energy center. While you're resting, your mind and body are performing intricate tasks. It may even feel as though your bed is a conduit linking you to the larger energies of the world. This is no coincidence. The bed, like many objects around us, holds a potent energetic charge. Think about the pyramids for a moment. These majestic structures aren't just marvels of architecture, they are giant beacons of energy. The ancient Egyptians understood this well, which is why their pharaohs were entombed within them, surrounded by this potent force. Some people, even today, replicate this idea by incorporating pyramid-like shapes into their homes, or even placing pyramid structures near their beds. Why mention pyramids? Because it's essential to recognize how profoundly our surroundings influence our reality. Our environment shapes our actions and emotions. The practices I'm about to share with you are grounded in this understanding. By engaging with these rituals, particularly at night, you will unlock new opportunities during the day. The act of placing certain items beneath your bed might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful. However, don't just take my word for it, experience it yourself. Wise individuals throughout history have often remarked that everyone holds the potential to achieve great things. What I'm about to introduce is a practice rooted in the principles of mentalism, an ancient idea I first learned about as a teenager. Mentalism teaches us that our thoughts, emotions, and desires can shape the physical world around us. The energy of our internal states has the power to bring forth tangible outcomes, whether it's health, wealth, or love. Take, for instance, the ancient teachings of Hermes Trismegistus. He believed that the internal world is intricately connected to the external, and the two constantly influence one another. What we focus on within our minds with faith and intention manifests in the outside world. This realization taught me that, no matter how challenging life becomes, there's always a way forward. Think back to a time when everything seemed to fall into place for you effortlessly. That feeling, where things just clicked, can be recreated through the practices I'll share with you. Though they are easy to follow, these steps have the potential to make a significant difference in your life, especially if you're seeking financial prosperity or a fresh start. Now, let's embark on this exciting journey together. As we dive deeper into these practices, don't focus on the outcome. Instead, enjoy the process. The act of engaging with these rituals should be playful, an exploration of what's possible. Together, we will discover how this unique set of practices can invite positive changes into your life. Don't simply trust what I'm saying. Take the initiative to try it yourself. Be open, be curious, and approach it with an open heart. Are you ready for this thrilling adventure? If so, let me know and declare I am ready to attract my blessings. To start, let's gather the materials needed for this special practice. First, you'll need a glass jar. Ensure it's clean and pristine, as we'll be using it to channel a unique kind of energy. There's something about glass that holds a specific resonance. Then, collect 3 garlic cloves and a few bay leaves. These items each have their own symbolic powers that will strengthen the practice. Additionally, find a coin from your country. Any denomination will work, but avoid coins that are rare or expensive. You'll need this coin for a crucial step. Be mindful as you select it. Next, we need spices. Either a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon will do. Cinnamon is often associated with wealth and abundance, so its presence in this ritual is key. Another important element is rice, a symbol of plenty and prosperity in many cultures. Now let's begin the process. Hold the glass jar and infuse it with positive energy. Think deeply about what wealth and abundance mean to you. For me, it's about peace of mind, freedom from financial stress, and the ability to choose how to spend my time. Picture what your life would be like without the constant worry of bills and expenses. What would you do with your newfound wealth? Spend a few moments in this space, envisioning a life full of choices, whether it's a spontaneous vacation, a delicious meal, or the opportunity to explore something new. Once you've connected with this feeling of prosperity, take the 8 bay leaves and place them in the jar. In numerology, the number 8 symbolizes infinity, a never-ending flow of abundance. As you add the leaves, visualize unlimited prosperity flowing into your life, surrounding you with security and plenty. Then, add the 3 garlic cloves, which serve as protectors, ensuring that nothing interferes with your journey towards financial freedom. Now it's time to add the cinnamon. This spice not only represents abundance, but also acts as an amplifier, enhancing the flow of good fortune. Finally, place the coin or bill in the jar. Make sure it's real currency that's still in circulation. This is important because it grounds the energy in reality. Each element in this ritual has a distinct meaning, so take care to approach the process with sincerity and intention. As you finish placing the ingredients into the jar, repeat the following affirmation. Money flows to me from all directions, in countless ways. Speak this aloud, letting the words reverberate within you. Visualize money coming into your life from various sources, whether it's through your job, unexpected gifts, or even spontaneous opportunities. Repeat this affirmation multiple times until you can feel its truth deep within your heart. Once your jar is sealed, hold it close and feel its energy radiating outward, much like a magnet drawing wealth and good fortune towards you. Imagine placing it under your bed, where it will work silently as you sleep, much like a magnet pulling metal towards it. See yourself as a beacon for money and success, effortlessly attracting everything you need. As you drift off to sleep with this powerful charm beneath you, say to yourself, I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money comes to me easily and in abundance. Each night, as you repeat this practice, you're reinforcing your connection to financial success. But this practice goes beyond just the ritual itself. To truly welcome abundance into your life, you must also shift your mindset. Start each morning with a sense of gratitude for the things you already have. Keep a journal by your bedside and write down at least 3 things you are thankful for as soon as you wake up. This simple act will align your mind with the energy of abundance, making it easier for more prosperity to find its way to you. Throughout the day, be mindful of your thoughts and words. If you catch yourself thinking, I can't afford that, replace it with, I'm choosing to use my money wisely. Subtle shifts in language can have a profound impact on how you perceive and attract wealth. Also, make sure you engage in activities that make you feel prosperous, whether it's dressing in clothes that boost your confidence, spending time with people who uplift you, or savoring life's simple pleasures. All these actions reinforce your energy of abundance. As you continue these rituals and mindset shifts, trust the process. Results may not always be immediate, but with persistence, you'll notice significant improvements not only in your financial situation, but also in your overall well-being. Be open to receiving blessings in unexpected forms, whether it's a new job opportunity, an unexpected gift, or even a chance meeting with someone who opens doors for you. Remember, this journey isn't solely about accumulating money. It's about creating a life filled with joy, freedom, and fulfillment. Your newfound financial abundance is a tool that will allow you to enrich not just your life, but the lives of those around you as well. Spread the wealth, whether it's through knowledge, resources, or simply by sharing the joy you feel. The more you give, the more you'll receive. If doubt ever creeps in, revisit your ritual. Hold your jar, meditate on your intentions, and reaffirm your belief in your ability to manifest. Know that the universe is always working in your favor, even if you can't see it. Keep your thoughts positive, your heart open, and continue moving forward with confidence. As you embrace this new chapter of limitless prosperity, know that it's just the beginning. The practices and mindset shifts we've discussed will evolve with you as you grow. Adapt them to your unique journey and watch as more abundance flows into your life effortlessly. Stay committed, stay positive, and continue your journey towards a life of wealth and fulfillment. Together, we are creating a ripple effect of abundance that will touch the lives of many. Here's to a future of endless success and prosperity.